In this tutorial, we'll explore how to write effective prompts for generative AI tools. Let's start with some definitions of key terms. When we say generative AI, we are referring to computer systems that produce human-like expression in a variety of media, including text, images, videos, and more. When we say large language model, we are discussing a subset of generative AI tools that specifically produce text. Many popular generative AI tools are large language models, such as ChatGPT and Claude. These tools require users to input a prompt that tells the tool what to produce. The tool then draws from a massive dataset of text from across the internet, including the good, the bad, and the ugly, and generates an output in your specified format. This image shows the huge variety of generative AI tools, and new tools are coming on the market all the time. The prism is organized by type of output, such as text, video, and sound, as well as other factors. The output you get from a generative AI tool will only be as good as the prompt you provide. An effective prompt has several key elements. First is role, telling it how to act and communicate. This shapes the tone, expertise level, and perspective of the response. Next is audience, who the tool is addressing in its response. Defining your audience helps the AI adjust its vocabulary and communication style. Third is tasks, the specific actions you're asking the AI tool to complete. Clear, concrete tasks lead to more focused and useful outputs. The next two elements are optional. Examples to analyze refers to information you want the AI tool to review, analyze, or summarize, usually to inform the output you want it to create. Providing examples gives the AI concrete material to work with and helps ensure the output is relevant and grounded in your specific context. Finally, refinement is when you ask the AI tool to adjust its output to better match what you're looking for. This iterative approach allows you to fine-tune results, whether you need a different tone, more detail, or a revised format. Here are a couple of examples. You are an early career biomedical engineer. Write 10 catchy but professional titles for a scholarly review article on the origins of colorectal cancer. This prompt gives the AI tool the role of an early career biomedical engineer. The audience would be people who read scholarly review articles on the origins of colorectal cancer, and the task is to write 10 catchy but professional titles. Here's the next example. I am a first-year graduate student preparing for my first national conference of cancer research experts. Create a PowerPoint presentation outline from this paper I just wrote. The role here is you, a first-year graduate student. The audience is the attendees at a national conference of cancer research experts. The task is to create an outline for a PowerPoint presentation, and this prompt includes an example for the AI tool to analyze. In this case, it will review the paper you wrote and attached in order to create its outline. An important reminder, any information you input or attach may be retained by the AI tool indefinitely. Never upload sensitive or private information into public AI tools. Please reach out with any questions you may have or to find out more about using AI responsibly as part of the writing and research process.